Namaskar, good morning, all dear students. Welcome in classroom. Today we will be discuss on procedures for issuing shares. Let's start. Procedure for issuing shares. A company issue of shares for public. Five step of issue of shares. The procedure for the issue of shares of the company involves the following step. Step number 1, issue of prospectus. Number 2, receipt of applications of share. Number 3, allotment of shares to applicant. Number 4, issue of share certificate. And last, receipt of call money. Number 1, issue of prospects. It is issued by the company inviting offers from the public to purchase shares and debenture of the company. Normally, favorable strong points of the company are pressed upon to attract the investors. And second, receipt of application for purchase of share. In response to the invitation given through prospect, applications of on prescribed from the purchase of shares and received through scheduled bank at least 4 days after the issue of prospect. After the 4 day issue of prospect, infilled applications from our deposit with the company's bankers along with the application money. Along with the application money. Step 2. And next step, the applications received directly. The application received directly in the company's office are also sent to the company's banker along with required application fee. Along with required application fee. Step 2 complete. And third, allotment of shares. Third step is very important. Third step of very important. Allotment of Shares mean distributions of share among the applicants. After the closure of subscription list, the bankers would forwarded all application to the company. All application to company. The board of directors then make the allotment of shares. All the applications are properly scrutinized and classified in different group. In different group. Normally, applications for small number of share are rejected. Small number of share are rejected. The shares have to be allotted within 30 days of the issue of prospectus. Time limit of issue of share are 30 days of the issue of prospect. And third, next, issue of share certificate. Allotment of share account contact comes into being between the company and the LATs. Then all transaction relating to the shares are regulated by the terms and conditions for issue of shares as well as by the provisions of article of association. The LRTs issued necessary share certificates. The procedures for the issue of shares is the same whatever share are issued at premium, at discounts. Next, receipt of call money. In case of full amount of share is not called with applications and allotments, the balance may be called one or more installments. Such installments after allotments are known as calls on share. Calls on share. Thank you. Thank you very much.